How many of you feel like managing access and memberships in Microsoft Teams is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to break down dynamic membership and advanced access controls. By the end, you'll feel confident enough to use it in your organization. Dynamic membership automates access control based on rules you define. Imagine automatic access for new hires and removals for those leaving. Dynamic membership is powered by Azure Active Directory. Create a dynamic group, define rules, and Azure manages access in Teams. To set it up, create a dynamic group in Azure AD and assign that group to a team. Use the dynamic rule builder for complex rules and to simplify your membership automation. Challenges include rule complexity, licensing, and testing delays, but these are manageable with the right approach. Real-life use cases include onboarding new employees automatically and managing project-based teams efficiently. Dynamic membership saves time, improves security, and scales effortlessly. It's simple in concept but can be complex in execution. For project implementation details, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. If you're ready to automate and secure your collaboration, reach out. Let's take your Microsoft Teams game to the next level.